So, talking about. Hey, greetings. Welcome to the Northworthy Fire. I'm talking about the cost of living. This is now the way I cook often. At least 3 or 4 times a week. I'll get a good fire on the go. And I've already boiled quite a bit of water. Had some lovely cup of tea. And I'm currently cooking some potatoes. And I'm about to put some bacon on when the fire's died down. So, and it's a mad world because never in my life would I thought and I'd depend on a wood stove to keep me, fed. Because let's face it, the cost of gas or using electric all the time, it's so expensive now, and the government, the useless government, has just done nothing really. I mean, I'm grateful for what they have done, but they could have done a lot more. And why is it high in the first place? But anyway, that's another point for another day. Keep warm and keep safe out there, folks.